To inspect and replace a drive belt on your Ranger 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the 8 fasteners retaining the outer clutch cover. Now, to remove the clutch cover, pull the cover starting at the bottom, lift up and over the suspension, and then pull out of the vehicle. Use care when lifting the clutch cover upwards. Do not damage the cover, intake boot, or electrical harness. Next, take note or mark the drive belt directions of rotation so it can be installed in the same direction. Then, insert the clutch spreader tool from the toolkit into the threaded hole on the drive clutch and then turn clockwise to spread the clutch. Now, carefully walk the belt out of the driven clutch and drive clutch and remove from the vehicle. After this, inspect the belt for hourglassing. Hourglassing occurs when the drivetrain does not move and the drive clutch engages the belt. Inspect the belt for loose cords, missing cogs, cracks, abrasions, thin spots, or excessive wear. Compare belt measurements with the new drive belt and replace if necessary. Belts with thin spots and burn marks should be replaced to eliminate noise, vibration, or erratic PVT operation. Now, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If a belt fails, always clean any debris from the clutch air duct and from the clutch and engine compartments when replacing the belt. With the clutch spreader tool installed, loop the belt over the drive clutch and over the driven clutch. Be sure to install the belt in the same direction it was removed. Then, rotate the drive clutch and walk the belt into the clutch. Now, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Next, rotate the drive clutch and belt approximately 5 to 7 times to properly seat the belt in the driven clutch. After this, carefully reinstall the clutch cover into the wheel well by installing the top half first, then the bottom half over the suspension. Use care when installing the clutch cover. Do not damage the cover, intake boot, clutch cover seal, or electrical harness. Then, ensure the cover seal is fully seated and install the 8 clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.